cable. Power supply yun sa machine. So, nag-open na siya automatic. Ayan, may ilaw na siya ng bignig. So now, I'm going to try to connect my device, my computer, my laptop to the that extra machine. So, via Bluetooth yun. Add. Bluetooth. Yan, Joy Extra E5 Yan, labas na siya. Select. Connecting. Okay, your device is ready to go. So, nag-connect na siya. Okay, fine. Set up. So, click at Joy Extra. Make sure to 10 inches of space line. Click at Joy Extra. Next. Find an outlet. So nagawa ko na yan. Power cord. Na-connect na rin natin sa Bluetooth. Okay na yan. Ayan, pinalitan ko yung isa kong laptop ayaw ko muna. So, ayan. Ayan. It's now set up and register your Cricut account. Okay, next. Itong isa. Isang laptop ko. Let's test your machine. To make sure your machine is working perfectly, you'll cut this decal with the included piece of black smart vinyl. I'll show you how. Make sure doon na nandun yung blade. So, ito natin to. Hindi naman siya. Noon ko, pero ganyan siya. From the envelope that came with your machine, insert the sheet between the white guides, aligning it to the left side. Then push the sheet forward until it reaches the gray rollers. The machine will grasp, then measure the sheet. Ayan, kakat na siya. Tapos dito meron siyang progress. Cutting 100% agad. Ba't nagkakat pa? Hindi ko gets. Ayan, tapos na siya. Ayan, nilabas niya na ulit. Tama ba? Nilabas niya na. Hindi pa. Unload. Meron pala dito. Unload. Okay, you completed your first cut. To confirm a clean cut, simply peel vinyl decal from liner. Let's see. Ayan siya, oh. Kita nyo ba? Yarn. Okay, first cut. Kasama nga palang maliit na weeding tool yung yung bundle. So, ayan. So, try na natin. Ha? Ano siya? Okay. So, mag-print cut na tayo. Yan ang aking first sticker project. So, scanning pa siya. Please, sana okay naman. Ayan, cutting na siya. See, 3%, 4, 5. Ayan, complete na siya. Ayan, sira. May mga sira. Oh, eto okay. Kasi nilagyan ko siya ng frame.